Hey guys, welcome back. We're here with another quick repair on a swimming pool. Check it out. All right, welcome back, folks. We've got this cleaner. When we arrived, the wheel was up on the deck, which made me think the wheel fell off. But as we pull it out of the water to look at it, you can see it's actually broken off right there. And you can see that axle just broken off the cleaner. So we're going to show you real quick how to fix that, right? Oh, here we go. Okay. So when we do these repairs, we try to make it as easy as possible without taking off any more than we have to. And this one, you might think you have to completely disassemble it, but as you can see, Will is just sliding that top cover up just enough to get access to the two screws. Once we get those out, it'll be real simple to put the new wheel back on. This is the part we need, a C66 axle with sandguard. Since this is going for the rear tire, you don't actually need the sand guard. You can just get a straight axle, but this is what we've got on hand. It'll work the same, so we'll put that on there. And we're also going to check the bearings once we pull it out to make sure it doesn't need them. If we did need bearings, if the bearings just fall apart, we've got a set here just in case. Okay, got the new axle out. And as Will's putting that on, you can flip this axle two ways, this way or this way. And depending which way you have it, is going to position the wheel close to this one. So when this axle's on, it needs to be able to push into that one. So you can see that gap. When he's got it that way, the gap is about 1 inch. And when he flips it like that, now the gap is about a quarter, maybe ½ inch. So that would be the way we'd want it on this one. And it's designed that way because on either side, the gapping is different. So that's why you would do that. We're going to reassemble that, and then we'll pull this one apart and get back to it.
Getting it.
All right. So keep in mind, folks, as you're working on these, that these stainless steel screws go into a little bronze or brass insert, and it strips out very easy. So make sure you don't have it cross-threaded when you put it back together. That's the best advice I can give you there. Okay, that part's done. Now we'll change this out. Take that center screw out. These can be a little tough. Things that struggle to get loose.
All right. I didn't lose anything. Oh.
All the bearings are in the back of
Yep.
it. Yeah, you can see them all in there. Perfect. Okay. So there's one last step before y'all sign off of here. Okay, notice this wheel. You can see that in the video there where it's all caved out, or that should be flat. So we're gonna go ahead and put a new rubber tire on it. And the reason that's important is this front wheel puts pressure on the center wheel, which the bearings are shot on that one. That may be what caused that, is that drag on that wheel. Yeah, you can see where it's floppy. It just ate the tire here. So what we'll do is we'll put a new tread on that one and replace the bearings here, and we should be back in business. Go ahead.
Okay,
Yep.
Yep, there's a problem. Bearings wanted to stay. Help.
See, that bearing is just the race. There goes the BBs. Yeah, most likely that was the cause of our problem.
And there they go.
Okay, we'll get that race off of there and put them back together. Then we'll show you how to adjust the tires. Okay.
Yep, there goes the bearings.
Yeah, they were pretty well shot. Go.
That was the easiest one we could.
Mm-hmm.
Saw another BB right there, but oh well.
So these are pretty common repairs. If you have this style of cleaner, you're going to be replacing wheels, tires, and bearings almost every season. Not a bad cleaner. It's really a good one, and they're very simple to repair. So Don't let this intimidate you or keep you from buying one. Because this total repair, 2 bearings, a tire, and an axle, I mean, probably 30, 40 bucks. When you look at that in comparison to the price of a brand new one, you know, which is close to $1,000, this is a pretty cheap repair. And if you forget how to do it, you can always come back to this video. I mean, because, you know, what is it that they say? If an Aggie can do it, anybody can do it.
Don't forget to push play, though.
So, as y'all were tuning in, we were laughing because we recorded the whole first half of this video, and the guy running the camera forgot to hit play.
And it wasn't an Aggie.
It wasn't an Aggie. So, I just got to give Will a little bit of, you know, ribbon. My brother did graduate from there. My daughter went to school there. So, I guess it's not all bad. Now, we always remind you, folks, to keep this just snug, because that is plastic and it will snap off. Okay, so now we need to adjust the tension. So the way you adjust it is when this wheel turns, or actually the front wheel turns, it'll turn the back, but you can see we're not making contact, so we need to snug this up, and you do that with this adjustment here on the back or in the center. Yeah. So that axle right here will slide. So what Will's going to do is slide it forward and then tighten it up. It's a little easier to do if you take the housing off, but he said he could do it without taking it apart. That's why we're here. Okay, so when you make your adjustment, all 3 wheels should turn together, just like that. So not super tight against this one, but just enough where it'll turn the wheels, because you don't want it to cut a big groove in it like we did right here. Okay, thanks for watching. We appreciate you, and if we're lucky, we'll see you on the next one.